In this session, we will be illustrating how a pocket can be added to the part that we started in the previous session. We will use the extrude feature to create the pocket in the front side of the base feature of our part. So we'll start by selecting the extrude tool icon. In the dashboard that has just opened, we will now click on the Remove Material icon and then select the Sketcher icon. Now we will click on the front surface of the part in order to select it as our sketch plane. And then we will click on the top surface of the base feature to identify it as our reference plane, followed by setting the orientation direction to top. We will now click the middle mouse button to accept the settings and enter Sketcher. In order to facilitate sketching, we'll change the display mode to Hidden Line. We will now draw the profile of the pocket using an option in Sketcher that automatically creates lines. The new lines that define the pocket will be at a specified offset distance from a collection of existing edges. We will begin by selecting the icon, Create an Entity by offsetting an edge. And then we'll click on the Loop option. We will now click on one of the edges of our part. The red arrow indicates the direction in which the new edges will be offset. Since the arrow is pointing outward, we will enter a value of -1, which causes the offset to occur in the opposite direction at a distance of 1 unit. Since the profile is now complete, we will click on the check mark icon. We will now spin the part, and then change the depth of our extrusion to be 4 units. And now verify and accept the new feature. We will now illustrate how a copy of the pocket can be created. Since the part is symmetrical about the front datum plane, we will make a copy of the pocket by using the mirror command. We will start by turning off the datum planes. And then in the pull-down menus, we will select the options, Edit, Feature Operations, Copy, Mirror, Select, Dependent, Done. We will now click on the pocket and then click on the OK button, followed by Done. We now need to define the plane about which the pocket will be mirrored. We'll do this by first clicking on the search icon. In the Search Tool window that has just opened, the Look For field is already set to datum plane, so we'll click on the Find Now button. All of the datum planes are now listed in the lower portion of the Search Tool window. We will make sure that the front datum plane is highlighted and then click on the OK button. As you can see, a new pocket has been created. Our last operation is to select the Done option.